At age 38, Thomas Alva Edison was a widower and in poor health. He was living in the Northeast, and his doctors advised him to live in a tropical climate if he wanted to continue living. To escape the long winters, Edison bought about 13 acres of riverfront property and moved there with his new wife, Mina. She wanted a larger house, and they ordered 2 to be built up in Fairfield, Maine, where they were shipped by schooner and assembled there in 1886. Botany and horticulture were hobbies for Edison. The estate is home to more than 400 species of plants. Edison invented the electric lamp in 1879, but his filaments would only last a few hours. Traveling along the Caloosahatchee River near Fort Myers, he found wild bamboo, and he thought that might be an answer. Edison discovered that carbonized bamboo made excellent lamp filaments.